Good morning, children. Welcome back after Christmas vacations. Now, this chapter 8, the algebraic expression and operation on them, we had started, but we did not complete it. The last topic, that is equation in one variable, is left. So today we are going to study about equation in one variables. This topic already you have learnt in 6th standard. So equations in one variable means in an equation there is only one variable. For example, like x plus 17 is equal to as 24 given. The x is the variable, here only one variable is there. We can find the value of the variable. So x value, I have already taught you two methods in 6 standards, but today now I am going to teach you direct method, that is, see, x plus 17 is equal to 24. So x plus 17, you take the 17 that side. So the sign will change. So x is equal to 24, you write first. This plus 17 you transfer means it becomes minus 17. So therefore x is equal to as 24 minus 17. So 24 minus 17 to borrow 4 minus 7 not possible, borrow 1. 14 minus 7 is 7 and here 1 left, 1 minus 1 is 0. So therefore x is equal to as 7. The value of x is 7. Now this is example 1. Example 2. Suppose x plus 5 equal to 38. Now, the same question, same type question, x plus 5 is there, will be equal to as 38. This 5 you transfer this side, plus 5 will become minus 5. So x is equal to this, if you minus it, you get 33. Therefore, value of x is equal to as 33. Now we go to the third question, that is another example, another different type example, x minus 12 equal to 42, suppose. Now this is minus 12. I have to transfer to it that side, so minus will become plus. So x is equal to 42 plus 12. So x is equal to as, if you add this you get 4 and this is 54. Therefore, x is equal to as 54. Fourth example. A minus 3 is equal to 12. Minus 3 you transfer that side. So, A will be equal to as 12 plus 3. So, A is equal to as 15. Therefore, A is equal to value of the variable. A is equal to as 15. Fifth question. 2x is equal to as 12. Suppose 2 is multiplied by x. Here addition property, here subtraction property we use. Now this is C. 2 into x means it is multiplied. Opposite of multiplication is division. So value of x is will be equal to as 12. 2 if I take that side, it gets divided by this whatever number is there. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 is 12. So x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to as 6. Now, suppose, one more example. Suppose 8 x is equal to 48. So x is equal to as 48 divided by 8. So x is equal to 8 was 8, 8 6 is 48. Therefore, x is equal to 6. X is equal to as 6. Now, seventh example. Suppose x by 5 is equal to as 12. X divided, this is division given. X divided by 5 is equal to 12. Division, opposite of division is multiplication. So x will be equal to as 12. Directly you take the side 5, it gets multiplied. So x is equal to 12, 5 is 60. Therefore x value is equal to as 60. Eighth question, x by 7 is equal to as 2, suppose. So again x will be equal to 2, direct multiplication, x divided by 7. So when it goes that side, it gets multiplied with whatever is there. So x is equal to 2 7 is 14. Therefore x is equal to as 14. Now we will solve some sums of the practice set 36. Now practice set 36. Set 36, question number 3. Question number 3 in this first question. Look at the first question. 4x is equal to as, 4x plus 1 by 2 equal to 9 by 2 given. How to solve this? This is a mixture of, here you have learnt all the equations, very simple equations. Now this is little bit complicated. So 4x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. 4x you keep it as it is. This 1 by 2 we take that side first. So 4x is equal to 9 by 2 you write first. This is plus, so when it comes inside it becomes minus 1 by 2. So 4x will be equal to as. This is like just like the subtraction of fractions with the same denominator. So it is same denominator. Take it here numerators, you subtract 9 minus 1. So 4x is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8 by 2. Now this again we can cancel it as 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 4x is equal to as 4x is equal to, we got here answer as 4 by 1 means 4 only. Now x is equal to as x, so 4 into x. So when it goes that side, it gets divided by this 4 already divided by this 4. So x is equal to 4 divided by 4, 1 by 1. So x is equal to 1. Therefore x value is equal to as 1 value. Okay. Now we'll go with the third question. Another fun question, little bit complicated one, that is this one, fifth question. First question I solved. Okay, third one and then fifth one. Third question is given as 5m minus 4 is equal to 1. So, first 5m minus 4. This minus 4, take it that side first. So, 5m is equal to as 1. If I take it that side, it will be plus, just like this question. So, plus 4. So, 5m is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. So, m is equal to, now m multiplied by 5. So, it comes here and gets divided. So, therefore, m is equal to as, we get 5 ones are 5 ones are, that is equal to as 1. So, therefore, m is equal to as 1. Now, we go to the fifth question, that is given as, bracket is given 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 4x plus 2. Look at this. If you solve with the help of this question, you can solve the fourth question and other all questions also. Now, see here, when one number is there outside the bracket, that means this is a monomial into binomial. You have learned monomial into binomial. So, multiply this first. 2 into x is 2x minus 2 4 is 8. The bracket is gone. Equal to 4x plus 2. Now, x, here equal to sign is there in the middle. 2x, here 4x. Bring all the x values one side and numerical values to the other side. So, 2x will remain as it is. When I bring this 4x this side, this is plus 4x. When it comes this side, it becomes minus 4x. Equal to this 2, you write it as it is, plus 2. Then this minus 8, when I take it that side, it will become plus 8. So all the Variables I brought one side and the numerical values to the other side. Now, here, see, this is plus 2x and this minus 2x. Use the rules of integers. Both the numbers have different sign. So, subtract them and put the sign of the great number. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, 2x will get. But sign of the great number, that is 4, is having minus sign. It will have minus sign. This is equal to as 2 plus 8 is 10. Now, 2 minus 2 into x is equal to 10. So, x is equal to as 10 divided by minus 2 it will be. Because here multiplication is there. When the number minus 2 goes that side, it gets divided with whatever number is there. But we cannot write this way. This is a very wrong method of writing a fraction. So, therefore, when minus sign is here to the denominator, we cannot give the minus sign. So, give it to the numerator as minus 10 by 2. So, x will be equal to as 2 ones are 2 5s is 10. Therefore, this x is equal to as minus 5. Therefore, value of x is equal to as minus 5 we get. Now, let us solve the word problems of practice set 36. The question, fourth one, is a word problem. The question is, Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age. Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age. That means Rakesh is younger to Sania and Sania is elder here. By how much? 5 years. That means Rakesh is 5 years younger to Sania and Sania is 5 years elder to Rakesh. The sum of their age. The sum of the age of Rakesh and Sania is 27 years. How old are they? We have to find out this. So here, we will take any one of the age as a variable. So, let us take, let the age of Rakesh be X years. Now, Rakesh is younger and Sania is elder by how much? 5 years. Therefore, Sania's age will be X plus 5 years more. Because she is elder by 5 years, elder to Rakesh by 5 years. So, X plus 5. Her age is X plus 5. By condition, what is the condition given? That the sum of their age is 27. So, by condition, here we form the equation. That is X, this Rakesh's age plus Sania's age, X plus 5 is equal to as. Is 27 is equal to. So here remove the bracket. X plus and plus, again plus into plus X 5 equal to 27. X plus X is 2X plus 5 is equal to 27. Now we form the equation. We have already formed the equation now. It is equation in one variable. So solve the equation as previously I have taught you. This 5 you have to take that side first. So 2x is equal to 27 minus plus 5 is minus 5. So 2x is equal to, if we subtract this, we get 22. Now x is equal to 2x. So x multiplied. So I'll take this to that side to get divided. 22 divided by 2. So therefore x is equal to as 2 11 is 22. Therefore x value is equal to as 11 we get. So what is this x? This is the x is the age of Rakesh. Therefore Rakesh's age is 11 years. And Sania's age Sania's age is x plus 5. That is equal to x is 11. 11 plus 5, that is equal to 16 years. This is the age of Sania. Go to the next question, that is question number 5. When planting a forest, the number of Jambul trees planted was greater than the number of Ashoka trees. So, when planting in a forest, two types of plants are planted. One of Jambul trees and one of Ashoka trees. It is given that the number of Jambul trees planted was greater. So, Jambul trees were more planted and Ashoka trees was less planted. Was greater than the number of Ashoka trees by 60. That means Jambul trees were planted were 60 more than the Ashoka trees. If there are altogether, again same type question as like this one. If altogether there are 200 trees of these two types, then how many Jambul trees were planted? We have to find out this. So let us take, let Jambul trees were more and Ashoka trees were less. So let us take, let the number of Ashoka trees be trees planted be X trees. Okay. And therefore the number of Jambul trees planted is equal to X plus 60 more. 60 trees were more. X plus 60 trees. Again same thing, by condition we will form the equation. By condition together there are 200 trees. That is this X plus this X plus 60 is equal to as 200. So remove the bracket, X plus outside the bracket plus sign is there, means the bracket will be the same as it is, only the bracket goes, equal to 200. X plus X is 2X plus 60 equal to 200. As like we had solved this question, same it is. 60 you transfer that side, 2X is equal to as 200 minus this 60. So we are left with here 140. Now 2X is equal to 140. So X is equal to as 140 divided by this 2. Therefore X is equal to as 70. X is equal to as 70. Now we got X value as 70. So we can find out the number of trees planted. So Ashoka trees, number of Ashoka trees is equal to directly Ashokas is X, that is 70. Then number of Jambul trees is equal to as X plus 60, that is equal to X is value is 70 plus 60, that is equal to as 130 trees. Now let us solve the next question, that is 6th question. Shubhangi has twice as many 20 rupees notes as she has 50 rupees notes. That means that how many 20 rupees notes she has, Shubhangi has twice as many 20 rupees notes as she has 50 rupees notes. Suppose 50 rupees notes she is having 6 notes. Double of it, then 20 rupees notes she is having 12. So that means 20 rupees note she has double, and then 50 rupees notes. Altogether the value, that is the amount she has is 2700 rupees. So how many 50 rupees notes she has? We have to find out this. So let us take, let Shubhangi have, let Shubhangi have 50 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes as X notes, X notes. Then therefore Shubhangi has 20 rupees notes is equal to as 2x. Means 20 rupees note she is having double. So by condition altogether value, see, if I am having 3 notes of 20 rupees, then how much money I am having? 3 into 20, that is equal to 60 rupees I am having with me. In the same manner, we have to multiply and then find out. So by condition, totally she is having 2700. That means this 50 into x plus this 20 into 2x is equal to, totally she is having 2700. So 50 into x will give you 50x plus 20 into this is 40x is equal to 2700. 50x plus 40x will give you 90x. This is equal to 2700. So x value, now this is the equation, x is equal to 90 into x. So it gets divided. 2700 divided by 90. This 10, this 10 gets cancelled. So 9 ones are 9, 3 is 27, 30. So therefore x value is equal to as 30. Therefore she has 50 rupees notes, that is how much? 30. And she has 20 rupees notes, how many? That is 2x, that is equal to 2 into 30, that is equal to 60 notes. 30 notes, these are number of notes, and this is equal to as 60 notes. Okay, let us go with the next question. 7th question and the last question of this practice set. Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. The total of their scores is 2 less than double a century. Century is 100. Double century means 200. 2 less than this will give you 198. That means their total scores is 198. How many runs did each of them make? The condition given is that Virat made twice. That means Virat's runs are double than Rohit's runs. So if Rohit makes X number of runs, then Virat is 2x. So let us take, let the runs made by, let the number of runs, or let the runs made by Rohit be X runs. Then therefore the runs made by Virat is equal to 2x runs. So by condition, total runs made, I showed you how it is 198. That is x plus 2x is equal to 198. That is 2 less than double the century. X plus 2x will give you 3x is equal to 198. X is equal to as 198 divided by 3. So x is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 6 are 18. So x is equal to 66. Therefore, x value is equal to 66 here. What is x? That is runs made by Rohit. Therefore, number of runs Rohit made is equal to 66. Number of runs Virat made is equal to 2x, that is equal to 2 into 66, that is equal to 6. The 12 carry over to the 12 and 30. 132 runs. This is runs.